I actually wondered whether or not this was a good fan or not for my new system. Be quiet? Okay. Alright, we'll give it a review. Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another unboxing, a little bit of review. This time it's the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4. It's a heatsink. It's a cooler for a chip. Yeah, it's on the motherboard. It's part of my new build I'm doing now for the new gaming rig in the office. So it's high end. That means it's really good. These are actually German built. They're actually yeah, they're almost silent. Apparently they call them. So yes, has lots of compatibility. The thing with this, what got me a bit, I've looked into my rig and it's not brand new what I've actually bought. I'm going to build up. It doesn't show it's compatible on the back here. However, it is, because the website says they haven't printed on here. So this will do, if you can see on here anyway, it will do more than what it is showing. It comes with all the little gubbins, even a screwdriver, so we'll look at that in a second. Be quiet, there's a QR code, off you go. So, it's a fan cooler. It's a very big fan cooler. Let's get in a little bit. Comes nicely packed with your plasticky sort of... I prefer this stuff because it doesn't squeak. Right, I need to turn this upside down and take the box off. Yes, yes, and yes. The box is out. Everything is nicely dark black. If you're gonna have a dark setup with a lot of LEDs inside it, this isn't bad, to be honest. So what we get inside, apart from the cooler, to get to that in a moment, is a big wedge of books. Full instructions, what it's actually is, what comes with this. All stuff in English, all your parts that you need to put your chip on your board. And in Russian. And in Spanish. And in Polish. And in French. And in English. Actually, what was the first one? German. So instead of having one book, I suppose I could just go like, yep, fine, I'm English, that one, off they go. But we'll keep that. That's just been... These are German. Germans are very efficient people. Trust me, I've known plenty of Germans in my time, worked alongside a few, and they are absolutely brilliant people. So, nice little, again, very nice designed box for more different compartments. Inside this bag we have everything you should need. There are other versions, by the way, which come with, I think there's one for the AMT only. We have 4 of these. Now, there's a reason why there's 4 of these, because 2 of these will fit on a fan. You've already got one on there. This is the beauty of it. If you ever go onto their website, they'll explain why there's a spare set. Everything out, screws, bit of thermal paste, a splitter for the fans, so you use one header on the board, a full bag of Intel holders, which is what I'll be using anyway, and a few AMD as well, which is nice, I suppose. Not fully needed. Another standoff there for probably another, I don't know, because I don't recognize this part at all. We will be in the instructions. Everything is there needed for you. Another pair of screws. Not entirely certain why they are there, but it will become apparent soon, I hope. So everything's nicely packed on. One very long, be quiet, screwdriver. So take this out of here, and we have this lovely massive block. This is ridiculous, but you could probably put, right, because where my system's going to go, it's going to blow out that way, or it'll go that way. It's a shame that I don't think I could fit it that way, so it would straight up and out through the top. If I could, I would, but it's not a square block mine anymore for the new chip. The chip of mine, I think it's a, oh, I forgot what it's called. I think it's 11700 Pro. It's a second hand, so it's not, everything's not brand new. These vent designs are absolutely amazing. If you can see that, they're all just to get heat away from anywhere. Tiny bit bent there, but that's not the problem. Bent back in place. Shouldn't have an issue getting over the chips, but I'm not fully 100% certain. But when I do the build, we will see what's what. So a nice clean peel off before it happens there. They've already fitted one as it is, which is a little bit odd because, yeah, why do you only fit one when you're gonna put two in? Because they give you a second one anyway. So this one, the Silent Wings fan, will slot in the middle, and then these clips will go round and then hold it in place, which is fine, which is what they're designed to do. They give you the spare ones so you can stick another one on. So you can have 3 fans running off this one heatsink. If you wanted it so it's there inside with your board. If you want to clip it on to this side bits so you do get heat coming up, fine. It's perfectly, do what you're wantable. That's all PCs are anyway with builds. Do what you want. The only problem with this is why this comes in, is there's these two, well, the screws are just plugs. I think just plugs. No, they aren't, the screws. Top there, and then this side's a little bit stiffer. That's better. You've got holes going all the way down, so they don't make it easy to screw in place. If you've got a right angle screwdriver, then maybe you can screw the block to the board via here, but it's going to be a bit of an issue, so they give you the screwdriver to fit their screw, which is obviously going to be these 2 screws. We screw the whole thing together. Very nice, very good touch for such a big block design. And once you're finished, yeah, just for aesthetics, just back in place. So yeah, it's a massive block, but with modern systems running the temperatures they are doing, it's kind of needed. So it's nice, it's good. They're on as normal that they usually are with the springs. I've had these springs before anyway on the Noctura, and they are quite useful. They are quite good to actually use. They're not going to be screwed in place or whatever. There's plenty of rubber which holds things in place, even rubber on there as well, so that will be attached around. It will be on, yeah, it'll be onto here and not attached onto this side here. You probably could, but with the rubber being on the edge of this fan set here, yes, it will be attached onto there. I could do it now, but I think that once that way will slot in, click in place. Can I get this done now actually? I'll show how easy these are to twist together. Yeah, so you'll put one in there, where the screw holes should go. Is that the right way around? I don't think it is actually. Yes, it is. It's a slightly different fan to the front one. So they'll screw in there, and then you just pull that over. Make sure it's in the right place. We'll just hook over the vents on the end of here. Done. So that side's on, and that's how easy it is to fit that second fan. If you want to do a third fan, yes, you could probably attach it on the top. Yes, you'd probably attach it to the side so you get more flow going straight through. But where I want it is also flow that way and that way. Could probably do it so it comes out as well over here, so it'll attach over. Yeah, there are plenty of options to do this with. So it probably attach there and there. So nice. I'll put the other one on when I actually do the PC build. There we go. That comes out easy enough. So yeah, this is the Be Quiet Dark Rock Pro 4. It's a big block of a yeah, probably a little bit over the top for some people's build, but for mine, I'm hoping that this is going to make the PC, when it's being built, really, really cold. And it's probably gaming. Gaming in the UK is okay because it's not red hot over here, although we've just had a little bit of a temperature, yeah, wake-up call, shall we say, to, yeah, it was very hot, and the computer in the office did not get switched on. So that's that. So with that in mind, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Please follow on social media. Consider being a Patreon. If you like the video, Please, if you're not subscribed, because I've got 87% of people watch my videos and don't actually subscribe, please subscribe. Please keep this channel going, please. And it's a good booster. Comment down below and have a conversation with me. Other than that, I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.